I love chicken and I love cooking it, but baked chicken with vegetables is everything because I find it satisfying for lunch or dinner without accompanying it with any kind of food. Vegetables are also healthy, so please welcome to this tasty baked whole chicken with vegetables. Stay here and enjoy this simple recipe. So right here we have whole chicken and some vegetables. We have capsicum, mushrooms, carrots, potatoes, boiled eggs and onions. We begin by putting all our vegetables in a pyrex. I'm using red capsicum, however you can use any color of your choice. We add some salt, a half teaspoon of curry, black pepper, garlic paste, olive oil, soya sauce, lemon juice. All the measurements are in the description below, so please feel free to check out. Mix everything well. If you're watching me for the first time, this is the Food Clinic channel where we do cooking. So please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you receive all the videos on time. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back. So we then bring our chicken and put some salt, black pepper, we bring the boiled eggs and put them inside the chicken. I'm putting 3 eggs, but it's not necessary that you're supposed to put 3. You can put 4, 2. So we put the chicken in the middle of the vegetables. Add some lemon juice on top of the chicken, some salt, and paprika to give it color. So we then add 1 glass of water. And cover the chicken with foil. So we are now going to bake it in oven for 1 hour to 1.5 hours, depending on the oven. So this is our chicken ready. So mine always cooks within 1 hour. Yeah, this is the chicken ready. It looks so nice, looks so yummy. The vegetables are just you can enjoy it as it is, or you can enjoy it with any kind of food, but as for me, I serve it just like that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.